So what exactly is the useEffect hook in React? So it's not a lifecycle hook. Neither it is the version of component in mount or update or will unmount in functional components. If that's not the case, then what is it? So it's a mechanism to sync the component state, like state 1 and 2 in this case, with some external function or system. And that system or function can be anything that runs in the background. For example, a fetch API call or logging into some API or getting data from server, like that. In this example, we have state 1 and state 2, and in this we have no array. It means this useEffect hook will sync with all the states, state 1 and state 2. If we had state 3, we had state 1, state 2 and state 3. Then second case is if we have it as empty, this array, it means sync with no states. Just run when the component mounts. If we have state 1 inside, it means that sync with state 1 when it changes. And when it changes, this thing inside will run, whatever we have. So that is what the useEffect hook is actually in React.